So the next House of Monarch project in St Kilda East, the owners have a 2-bedroom flat. They've done a good job of doing the inside up, but I think outside has lagged a bit.
The balcony, I mean, they keep saying, oh, we don't use it much. The reason they don't use it is because it doesn't look any good, and you know what? We're going to change that.
Let's do it, Fuss!
Righto!
Wow, Fuss, it really is small, isn't it?
Yeah, but we could make this really useful.
I think you're right. It's got a lot of potential. We just need to declutter it a bit, change the outdoor furniture.
Modernise the paint colours.
Yeah, you're right. And the thing about this one, it's easy and cheap and anyone can do it. Fuss, check out this bad boy. What a beast.
Yeah, but that ultra-thick nap roller is designed for rough surfaces like bricks. It makes it so easy to get not only the brick, but in between.
Oh, it works a treat. And we obviously have to stick to the same colour scheme because we're in a body corporate here.
Yeah, we have to keep the brick the same colour, but we're going to modernise the windows and doors and trims with a different colour. So we're on to painting the windows, and there's a system here to follow. Get the winders out of the way. And then do the internal frame of the window first. Then you do your edges and the bottom of the window, slide it in a little and do the face last. Perfect.
Yeah, and with the balustrade, it can be a little bit fiddly. As well as having a little brush, get yourself a mini roller, it works a treat. First coat's done.
And you know what? We've earned this reward. Beautiful sunny day. We've got to wait for the paint to dry. Time for a beautiful cup of coffee.
What do you drink? We're in St Kilda.
Oh yeah, I probably should have gone for the, the ultra modern oat milk latte frappe, with a dash of butterfly milk, but I thought, nah, I'm a painter. Let's just keep it as a beautiful hot latte.
Butterfly milk. Fuss, how good is a cup of coffee?
Oh, no doubt it gets me going. And speaking about how good, I know we always bang on about it, but what about the difference of a second coat?
Oh, it works a treat. It just glides on the second coat.
And it not only makes it look better, but think about reward for effort. It's going to last longer and you won't have to paint it again so soon.
You're spot on, buddy. Wow, Fuss, how easy was that to transform this outdoor space? The window trims, you've done a belter job.
Yeah, but not just me. You did the balustrade, and how good does that look?
Oh, it looks insane. Also adding a bit of greenery, and we got so much more room in here as well.
It's funny you say that, because when I first looked at it, I felt like I couldn't swing a cat. Now, I reckon I could swing a giraffe. Stand up, give it a go.
Try me.
Whoa.